How to block ads on YouTube for PC or desktop. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. Download Microsoft Edge. Go to Microsoft Edge add-ons. This video tutorial will be for Microsoft Edge, and then type in YouTube ad blocker, and then scroll down, click this option where it says to block for YouTube, and click get. It's gonna ask you to add the extension, and it can read and change all your data on websites. If you're happy, click add extension. And once it has been downloaded, you can click this extensions, and you can even choose to pin it or to enable the eye icon so you see it. And then you can click disable ad block, which will remove annotations from videos and music if you would like, and then you can enable ad block. So to test and to see if this works, let's go to a YouTube video. I'll be right back.
Hey, how's it going? Just got a new shipment in here from YouTube. As you can see, I'm so excited to open these, and now I've got a bunch.
Okay, so now I'm going to enable the ad blocker for YouTube.
I found 15 websites that you can start using.
And as you can see, it blocked the YouTube ad. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe to the channel for more content.